Good morning, students. Welcome to the Science 1 class. Today, we are going to learn about emulsions and its types. Now, what are emulsions? An emulsion is a colloidal system in which both dispersed phase and dispersion medium are in liquid state. Milk is familiar example of emulsion, which is considered as a fat emulsified with water. Emulsion can be classified as oil in water emulsion and water in oil emulsion. In oil and water emulsion, oil acts as the dispersed phase and water acts as the dispersal medium. Milk and cream are examples of this type of emulsion. In water in oil emulsion, water acts as the dispersed phase and oil acts as the dispersal medium. Butter and cod liver oil are example of this type of emulsion. Let's see detail about emulsion. We have learnt about solutions as mixture of two or more substances in the same phase. It involves a solid dissolving in a solvent. Some substances simply do not want to associate with one another. As an example, oil and water are added together, they form two distinct layers. This is because they are immiscible with one another. In other words, they do not mix. Even if you shake the two liquids vigorously, they will still remain immiscible. Let us look closely at what we have right now. These are tiny oil droplets interspersed throughout the water we have just created on emulsion. What do you think will happen if we let this emulsion stand for 5 to 10 minutes? Since oil and water are immiscible, the oil droplets will reform the original layer. Everyday emulsions include milk, mayonnaise, ice cream, and paint. These emulsions are mostly oil droplets in water. Emulsion can also exist as water droplets in oil. Real life examples include lotions and facial creams. The world's most popular emulsion is without a doubt ice cream. The main ingredients are milk or cream and sugar along with flavoring and coloring components. So, what prevents an emulsion such as ice cream from separating? Substances known as emulsifier are added to stabilize emulsions. When making ice cream, egg yolk is commonly added. The active emulsifier in egg yolk is called lecithin. Too little lecithin will cause that ice cream to separate and too much will ruin its texture and flavor. All emulsifiers have two components, a hydrophilic or water-loving head and a hydrophobic or water-fearing tail. If we added lecithin to our original oil and water emulsion, its hydrophilic head will prefer to associate with water and the hydrophobic tail with oil droplets. This prevents separation and thus stabilizes the emulsion. Let's recap. An emulsion is a mixture of two substances that are immiscible with one another. These emulsion can be stabilized by adding emulsifiers. I hope you all understood. Thank you, students. Have a blessed day.